Hi all, let's see how to create the Windows 11 installation media. So to get this, first we have to go to the Microsoft Media Creator page. So you have to search in the Google and just choose the link which is from the Microsoft to create installation media here. And we have Windows 11 selected, and now you can go to the Windows 11 Media Create tool. Yes, to create the installation media, you have to download the media creation tool. So this is a link to download it. So just click and download the media creation tool here. Once downloaded, you can execute. So now the media creation tool is started. So you can choose your language here, and the edition will be Windows 11, which is and also the latest one will automatically selected. So you have two options. Either you can save the ISO file and you can burn to the DVD later, DVD or USB later, or you can use a USB flash drive. I had already connected my flash drive to this computer, so I'm just selecting this. Now you can see the drive is selected. I'm selecting this drive and clicking next. So now you can see the Windows Media Creator tool has already started downloading the ISO, and once the ISO is downloaded, it will automatically flash the content to the USB disk which I have selected. So what I will do now is like I will fast forward, and once this creation is completed, then I will show how it looks like. So now the progress is almost 97%, and let's see how it's like when it's completed. So now you can see the installation media is already created, and now it's cleaning up all those temporary files which is created and part of this, and you can see now the media is ready. So now we can use this USB to format a computer and clean install a Windows operating system in a PC. Thank you. If you like the content and if you want me to put more contents like this, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.